Hi people, it's Annelia, or you can call me IslandCurl, and hopping right into it, I'm using 2 hair milks on my boyfriend's hair to do his mini twist today, and that is the Camille Rose and the Main Choice. We're low on both, so I'm using both. And I'm also using the Cream of Nature Pure Honey Twisting Cream. And you can't forget your spray bottle full with water. And of course, you're gonna need your comb. But yeah guys, I recently did a teeny tiny little trim on his hair and it has made all the difference. His curls are popping, like oh my god. His curls are there, they're defined, they're beautiful, they're luscious because of the trim. That's just to say, don't worry about length, always choose health over length. I do also want to point out that I've become a lot better at parting his hair. It doesn't take me as long. I guess the more I do it, the more easy it becomes. So yeah, if you have problems with parting, just keep at it. Keep practicing. So just to explain what I'm doing here, I'm doing mini braids, and so I'm making his parts as small as possible so I have more parts. I usually do like 3 parts. Okay, I usually split his hair straight in half, and then I do 3 what's the word I'm looking for? I do 3 parts on each half, right? But this time, because I want to do mini braids, I did 1, 2, 3, 4 parts, or 5 on each side. And starting with the Main Choice, I'm going to use that to moisturize. Like I said, this is a hair milk, but I mean, I'll use it if I could get it out the bottle. So, because we're doing mini braids, of course we're going to want our sections of hair to be very mini. So, I'm taking very small sections and I'm twisting them. It's very tedious, it's a long process, but hey, it's cute at the end. And it's worth it. When I say mini, I mean mini. So this is how it looks so far. His ends are super curly, so they curl up like that. But it's all going to come together once the whole thing's complete, so don't worry about that. So this is what the first half of his hair is looking like. As you can see, they're definitely mini, but I like them, they're cute. After this, we kind of took a break and finished the next morning. Now, I want you guys to keep in mind that you don't always have to part the hair straight down the middle. You can always use different parts so the hair can fall differently. He likes to put his hair in two ponytails, so I usually part it down the middle to make that easier for him. Also, do not do not mind how prominent his middle part is. Once he puts on his do-rag, sleeps on his hair for like a day or two, that will become less prominent. You know, it won't be like this. It won't be the star of the show. But I'm just gonna go ahead and put his hair in two, because like I said, he loves to put his hair in two ponytails, which is why I did the middle part in the first place. I also want to say that he's going to the barber. Every time I do a video with him, I'm always like, he's going to the barber tomorrow. Well, hopefully I'll get some clips of him at the barber, and then you'll see the finished results. So guys, this is a few days later, so his braids are a bit frizzy now, but it's cool, it's fine. I just wanted to show you guys the shape up or the fade, whatever. But that's all for today. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Bye y'all.